Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to earn $1,000 per month with YouTube Shorts. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So, YouTube Shorts are the best new way to make $1,000 a month. In this video, I will show you step by step how to make this. Believe me, it's not a trick to get people to click. There are a number of YouTube channels that make over $10,000 a month or more with YouTube Shorts. The method I'm going to show you doesn't cost anything. This means that you don't need any money to invest and you don't need any technical skills, and it doesn't matter how old you are or where you are from, because YouTube has short features available in over 100 countries. So, this video is not for you if you live in a country where YouTube Shorts are not available. First of all, I suggest you go now and check if this feature is available in your country. Now, the question is, what these features look like and where to find them. Just look at the Android screenshot I'm giving you now. Home is the first option and the Shorts is the second. What do YouTube Shorts mean actually? They are new features that the site added. It is similar to TikTok and competes with it. But YouTube Shorts is better than TikTok by a factor of 100. So how to earn money with YouTube Shorts? Now we will talk about the most important parts of how to make $1,000 a month with YouTube Shorts. There are 2 steps to this. The first is to make your own YouTube channel, which is easy, and then join an affiliate program like Amazon's. First, you go to big marketplaces like AliExpress and Amazon and download a short video of a product to put on your YouTube channel. Remember to first make an Amazon associate account, then get a link to the products you want to sell and put it in the description box in your YouTube videos. Try this method for at least a month. After a month, I hope you will be able to make $1,000 or even more on Amazon with your YouTube Shorts. If you want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube Shorts, you can watch some videos on YouTube or read some articles about it on Medium. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. The secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus are using to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. Don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I upload one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now.